Hi everyone, it's Kelly from Kelly's Bead Boutique. So I know we're in the middle of summer, but I'm ready for fall. I love the fall weather. I love that cool, crisp air. I love the colors. I love everything about it. So I'm in the mood. So I created what I'm calling the fall leaf earrings. So if you want to see how I make them, come and join me. Okay, so the very first thing I'm going to do to make my fall leaf earrings is I'm going to open up a couple of these jump rings. So just get two of them opened up. Now I'm going to run them through one end of the button and do that up. So put one in and put the other one in. And make sure that these are done up nice and tight. And I'm going to repeat on the other end. So I'm going to open up two and do that up. And if you can't get that to do up nice, I just sort of jiggle them back and forth. And you want that sort of clicking sound. That means that it's kind of locked in there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my head pin and I'm going to place it through the little leaf. That one had just a little bit of, must be a little bit of the paint on there from the bead. So you just push it through and it'll go through. Now I'm going to take my bead cap and then my little 3mm fire polish and place that on. Now I want to make sure that I take my pliers and run it down on top of that bead to make sure that that is seated in there nice and tight. So I'm going to make a little wrapped loop. So I'm going to bend away. I want to have not a huge loop, but I need a little bit larger loop on this one. So I'm going to go about halfway up. With my round nose pliers, I'm going to go up and over and down, open my pliers and rotate them, and then pull that to the back. And I just want to create a nice little loop. So now I'm going to come through one end of the jump rings, pop that little loop on there, turn that over, come right across the whole loop so that it's got a good firm grip on there. Now I'm going to take my bent chain nose pliers and I'm going to make three nice little wraps. So I'm going to go once, twice, and this doesn't leave you a lot of room, so you kind of have to grab hold of it nice and firmly. There we go. There's the third one. So now I have to come in with my cutters, and I'm going to use the flush side of the cutters, and I'm just going to go right on top of there, give it a little trim. Now I've got a bit of a burr on here, but I have to be careful because that's a glass bead, so I don't want to go right over like this. I want to make sure that I'm just off center a little bit. So I'm just going to go off to the other side and I'm going to just squish that down. I just want to make sure that you can't feel anything sharp. All right, we're just about done. So now I'm going to take one of my small jump rings. It looks like this one was already sort of opened up. So I'm just going to run it through the end of those two large jump rings. And then I'm going to do that up. And the reason that I put this on is I want to reorient everything. If I just put the ear wires through these two jump rings, the earring would be the wrong way. So you always have to think about those things when you're creating your jewelry. Now I'm going to open up my ear wire, run it through the jump ring, and do that up. So there you go. There's my fall leaves earrings. I love these earrings. They're really my jam. I really love the silver one, but I do kind of like the copper, but I don't know. Which one is your favorite? Would you like to have the antique silver or the antique copper? Make sure to leave me a comment below. And as always, I will have a kit available. It'll be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a like, leave me a comment, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.